Right, so it's launch day. I have packed up and I'm on the train off to London. Packed up my kids as well with me so they can give me a hand. And now a quick taxi ride to the venue. Welcome to my book launch day. I am here in London with all my luggage, all the food I've cooked for the event this evening, and I have brought you with me, obviously. So I am going to unpack and start setting up. Right, this bit lost its volume, so I'm just doing a quick voiceover to say that we've dumped the stuff and now we're off to Borough Market for some quick lunch before we set up. It's a very busy Borough Market. So many choices of food, what to eat. First, I'm gonna get something to eat. Oops. Really busy here. Look at that. So I've got some fried chicken, rice, and we've also got some chicken tacos. I'm gonna tuck into this. Everyone's sitting and enjoying the food.
Meal medium. Orange and mango.
All the juice. Look at the sea of strawberries.
Thank you, folks in the front. Moving down. Thanks to you. Thanks.
Nearly with Chutney. I've got them all.
Where's Bucket?
And before all the madness starts, I'm going to get a really nice coffee and then get back to work. Just eating some really good food and we'll finish it with a really nice coffee. Borough Market is packed and so busy. So this is my venue. It's all closed up right now. I'm just going to go and check it out. That's it. That's where it's all going to happen tonight. So this is Great Guns Social inside. It's all quite packed up, and hey, that's me. Empty it all out and make more space. And then I've got the kids to work. Hey kids! Hey kids! No, you carry on, you carry on. Keep working. Okay, we are getting ready. Books are all set. So one of the drinks being served tonight is salasa, which is the perfect partner with Indian cuisine, Mumbai, and it's lovely combination of citrus herbs and cooling spice, so that should go really well with the food that we're serving from the book. And then we've got journeys, ends, lovely sparkly. We've got some Chardonnay and also some beautiful Shiraz to go. And then we have some beer, Asahi, Peroni, some Peroni Capri, and some 0% Asahi as well. So we've got all the food slowly running out. Chefs are at work, just putting finishing touches.
There we go, it's done.
So we are all set. The place is looking all set up. The drinks are out. Everyone's ready. The books are ready. We're all. And I'm ready too.
My name's Natalie, I'm Chetna's editor for her 7th book, Foodies. I think it won't surprise anyone to know that Chetna's a bit of a feeder. She's been with Octopus now so this is her 7th book with us, and it's known in the office that whenever she comes in, we are in for a treat, and tonight is no exception. So I just want to say a huge congratulations to Chetna. This book is absolutely gorgeous. I'm sure you agree. It's a real celebration, so it's really lovely that we're all together to send it off in style. So over to you, Chetna.
Oh God. Thank you so much for everyone for coming. I haven't got this prepared because people who know me here know I can't prepare this stuff. But I just want to say a massive thank you to Octopus who are all here. So thank you so much, from Anna to Hazel to Ailey, Natalie, and of course Juliet and Leanne, who work so hard. Obviously I do the writing, but there's so much work that goes into a book, and I could not do it without you guys. So thank you so much. I cannot believe I'm standing here with the 7th book. I'm not drunk enough to say. Seriously, I needed more booze before I could do it. But yeah, doing Cardamom Trail with Octopus was so dreamy, and I know a lot of you are not buying the book, but people who are buying the book, thank you. it's just such a privilege, and I know to get a book, to be able to write a cookbook, and I do put in my 100%. I think I put in my 100%, and I just love to be able to kind of talk about Indian food on a wider scale. Whatever little I can introduce people to little corners of India and little kitchens of India. So. Thank you so much, and I couldn't do it without you friends, so thank you so much for coming. Also big thank you to Great Gun Social for hosting us. We actually hosted my Chetna's Indian healthy Indian hair pre-COVID, and we still got it on the wall, but seriously guys, thank you so much. Thank you for, just a quick thank you to Journey's Wines for all the lovely wine, and to some delicious beer from Asahi, and I think, yeah, and Solassis for the delicious drink. But I just want to say thank you for taking the time out to come here. Thank you to my husband, who does not want to talk to anybody but and thank you to my official photographer, Sia and you. She's working. So yeah, I have got friends from India. Hey! I've got friends from Broadstairs, Brighton, and everywhere else. So thank you so much for making an effort. Please have a lovely evening. Thank you. Don't we all? Give me some of the energy. Right, it is very late at night, and I'm back at the train station because I'm gonna head back home. I am so happy. I can't stop smiling, and I've had the best evening with some of my best friends and people from the industry who came to support me. Everyone loves the food, which is always a plus point because I've been working so hard last 2 days to get great food on for the evening, so I could not be replaced. The train's empty because it's so late at night, so I might sit there. Yeah. Hope you have enjoyed the evening, the video, the vlog, and I will be back in my kitchen with all the recipes.